Hello! Today I would like to share with you my idea about the Painsley hair remover product. It's very popular, I have seen them on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Let's see how it works. It smells very fresh, like aloe, cucumber. Before using, I shake the spray and cover the desired area. And then wait for a few minutes until the hair starts to curly, then I swap away. It's very easy to use and removes undesired hair very easily. I use Painsley Hair Growth Inhibitor Spray after hair removal. I like it. It works well on my legs, armpit and bikini area. My hair grows slowly and they are very thin. Have been using the inhibitor spray in a month. Hair doesn't grow back. I'm very happy with the final results, especially under my armpits and arms. When I started to use the inhibitor spray, I noticed incredible results after the first month. I feel like my skin looks better even if I was to use laser. It's very soft and the hair stopped to grow and I'm very impressed. I definitely recommend this product, so no more irritation and ingrown hair.